Welcome back, student. Well, here we will be discuss about the social network advertising. We are discussing social media platform and the 10 best websites we discussed already in previous sessions there in detail. And now the social network advertising, why the organization, the people are invest their money and their time, but one of a major advantage they want to get is the social network advertising. Social network advertising that involve use of social network to communicate and promote the benefit of products and services. Advertisers, were quickly to recognize the potential of social networking as another channel from promoting product and services. You can get better idea how the people are advertising their product and services. Then you can be make a sense, and also you can do it. Okay, it is estimated that 89% of advertisers use free tools such as the Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and to promote their product, Instagram, and other. Additionally, 75% of advertisers use paid media, such as the ad on a Facebook or sponsored blogs, contents, and other. Social network advertising has become a big business. Global social media advertising is expected to reach nearly 12 billion by 2014, with the about a half of that being spent in North America. Okay, that's one of the major figures. Global social media advertising is expected to reach nearly $12 billion by 2014. And social networking advertising, that's two significant advantage of a social networking advertising over a more traditional advertising media, like we are using a traditional newspaper, but the media, social network advertising, that's the get benefit, like advertising on a traditional like radio, TV, and a newspaper. But in a social media advertising, that's a get a benefit, like advertisers can create an opportunity to generate a conversation with the viewer of ad. I mean to say, if you give a ad of your product and services, but the viewers and who are interested, he can query, he can mm, ask something about the product, some availability, some quality related thing. Okay, that is a according to ad viewer. After ad, you can solve their query. You can solve overall. You can answer him. Ads can be targeted to the reach people with the desired demographic characteristics. Okay, the ad should be the can be the target. That's the target person. You can focusing on the target person which you are interested that these type of people. It may be the age group, maybe the professional, maybe the special community and a cultural value that will be you engaging on a Facebook, that these kind of people, this community, this nature, this age group people will be look my ad. Okay, that is a very important good thing that you can target your audience that who are basically just see your post. Okay, that is the major two social networking advertising benefit. Normal ad, how we can make the ad, and what the important in the ad, that maybe the similar look like in the publishing a newspaper and a TV. Okay. Direct advertising, if we talk about the direct advertising is involve placing banner ad on a social networking websites. Okay, here are basically people are using, people are normally direct advertising involved. They are banners, ads on a social networking website, and ad can be displayed to every visitor to the website or by using the information in user profiles. And An ad can be directed toward those members who would likely find the product most appealing. Okay, that ad will be the display every visitor on the website, but using information, user profile, and can be directly award toward those the member who would likely find the product most appealing. Such an ad for the new magazine on a mountain biking could be the directed to individual on a social networking website who are the made and who are 80 to 35 years old. Okay, that's maybe the interested in a mountain biking. Okay, but who express an interest in the mountain biking, maybe uh, will be involved. You can view easily the ad, but the other on a social networking website would not be see the ad. Okay, again, just like we discussing in a previous slides that we are targeting our audience. I just we limitize the people who are 18 to 35 years old, and especially who are likely to mountain biking. Okay, they can view the ad. Okay, then the social media network will be work accordingly. Advertising using an network individual network of friends. Like companies can use social networking website to advertise to an individual network of contacts. When you sign on to your favorite social networking website, you might see a message saying, Hamza, your friend, just went to see hangovers too. Awesome, he say. Like, you know, not especially in the Facebook, and you are reading the post of your friend, they liking, like if they give a live streaming that Hamza and anyone is watching this movie and this serial and playing a game and reading this book, this lesson, and he comments that is awesome, that is a very useful, then it will be a basically interest of Hamza, and you can easily view it, and you can also get a knowledge, and you also have a in your community, if the people are watching these things and getting some information, then you also automatically will be involved. Okay, because that are part of your community, then you will be involved. That's one of the thing that advertising using individual network of a friend. The companies are basically focusing that you give the post and your friend and family automatically will be view it. Okay, they didn't need to be target the individual, but the in your friend community, you if you have 100 friends, approximately 50-60% will be viewed. Okay, just because you view it. If I am talking about the indirect advertising to the group, that's a innovative company that are also making use of the marketing techniques by creating a group on a social networking website. That interested user can join by becoming a fan. Each group can quickly grow in a term of number, of fan to the becoming a marketing tools of for a company logo. Today, nowadays, the many blog masters are coming. They are making the blog, and you automatically follow them. And these are the basically again become a marketer tool for a company looking a marketer context, promote new product, or simply increase brand awareness. Often, though, the fan gain in this manner do not remain loyal and are simply interested in the earning discount or a special promotion, but they are directly targeted with the help of the fan. Uh, uh, you are using this product. Now, I'm like, let's suppose I'm talking about the Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, that's going. ongoing fight for the market share in the beverage industry, Coca-Cola has implemented a number of social networking initiatives to promote its brand, including the following. Like Coca-Cola has its own corporate blog named Coca-Cola Conversation that covered its brand history, provide information about Coca-Cola collectibles. Coca-Cola started a competition for the residents for the Second Life virtual world and challenging them to the design and vending machine that dispenses the essence of the Coke. Okay. The company placed a video on a YouTube called The Mean Joy and Greenie, the making the commercial, documenting the making of one of the Coke most famous TV commercial. Two fan of Coca-Cola, neither of whom had any official connection to the company, but launched a Coca-Cola Facebook page in 2008. Within a few weeks, the page had attracted over a 750,000 fans. As the number of fans grew into the million, the page creator agreed to turn over the administration of page to Coca-Cola. Okay, these are the basically things that how the companies are advertising directly, indirectly, making a fan, creating some page and get idea about their customer feelings and customers, how the customer are following them. Okay. Now next is the some company have social network websites, company on social net websites. A variation on the above approach is a for company to form its own social network website. For example, Dell created its own social network website and ideas formed in February 2007. As a mean for its million of its customers in more than 100 countries to talk about what new product, services, or improvement they can would like to sell Dell laptop, Dell development. As of a June of 2013, the IdeaStorm community has suggest 19,075 ideas and posted 98 or 24 comments. Dell has implemented 537 customer submitted ideas. That is a one of a platform where the company are basically learn from their customer. Okay. Again, we are talking about the company on social network website. And student, last one is viral marketing. Viral marketing is a style of promotion that relies on an audience to the organically generated and push the message of a product or services that may be the one of a funny message, but they are just promoting the product and services. Okay. On a social media, marketing is considered as a viral when it is being shared repeatedly by the public at a large. Okay, we have no idea about that it message will be viral or not. But again, when it will be viral, mean to say that the people are sharing it repeatedly. Okay, and the large group of publicly are basically post it and share it. Okay, rather than just in a large audience. Model viral marketing on a social can be illustrated by the popularity of social media memes or trending TikTok sound. Okay, look like here in your slide, you can maybe see here study for exams, get a good grade. Okay, your first day at work, 1 year in your company. Okay, that is a different social media memes, and you are also better know about these smiling faces, some funny faces, and some messages that are some maybe the viral. Okay, class. That is something about the viral marketing, and before it, we are discussing about the social marketing and their advertising. Hope so you will be understand and revise it and listen carefully, then you will be understand betterly. Okay, class. Take care. Allah Hafiz for this week.